Hi everybody, Tetanus Risk back with you. Another gorgeous spring day here, and I got the passenger side doors wide open on the 2000 GMC Safari all-wheel drive. And today I am looking at cleaning the carpets. And I'm going to do a little experiment with two cleansers I picked up. And I removed the passenger side floor mat. Oh, I'm throwing a big shadow there. And you can see what factory looks like there. Look at how beautiful that is. So that was protected by that passenger side floor mat for 22 years now. And this van sat unused for years. I'm not sure how long, but you can see a lot of staining in the carpet here. And those brown dots are actually mouse poo staining. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of the cleansers on this half, and I'm just going to do a little spot here underneath the passenger seat, and where this cable comes up is basically going to be my line. And what I picked up was Chemical Guys foaming citrus fabric cleaner, carpet and upholstery shampoo. And according to the bottle, I've mixed this one 8-to-1, and then the other one I'm pitting up against the Chemical Guys fabric clean is the Laws Totally Awesome. And according to the bottle here for automotive carpeting, I've mixed this one at 5-to-1. So I'm going to get started, and I got these foamy brushes here, or these brushes that I'm hoping are gonna get all foamy off Amazon, and I'm gonna put them in the drill. I'm gonna spray this stuff liberally, get a good soaking in there, stick to the instructions, and I'm gonna try and get in around the seat mount studs where the rust is, and then I'm gonna suck it all up with the steam cleaner, and I'll come back and I'll show you the results. Okay, so the light's not the best with the sun shining in, but I'm not going to complain about sunshine. And I started with the Chemical Guys right here on this side, and it foamed up nicely. It's foam's kind of gone away now, and the foam actually turned a nice brown, so it's working. It has a pleasant citrus smell, like when you first take a creamsicle out of the package. It's actually quite lovely. So now I'm gonna suck it up with the steam cleaner, and we'll take another look. All right, here's the Chemical Guys result. It was tough to get in the recesses where the seats bolt down, but it did take quite a bit of the rust away. I'm pretty happy with the results here. Like, oh, the sun is not the best for the lighting here, but oh yeah, though when running the steam cleaner, like the water just came out filthy, so it's working when. So that's the Chemical Guy side, and if you remember, it looked a lot like this here, just filthy, like just doesn't, that's just not good for your health. That's the hantavirus waiting to happen. So now I'm gonna move on to the Laws Totally Awesome, and we'll come back and I'll show you how that foamed up. Okay, here's the Laws Totally Awesome. You can see how that foamed up. Yeah, it's kind of dissipated as well since I put the drill down and picked up the phone. But yeah, same thing. This one has like a glass cleaner, the blue glass cleaner type scent to it, just very mild. It's not overpowering in any way. It's a nice clean smell. So now I'm going to take the steam cleaner to it, and I'll come back. All right, the Laws Totally Awesome results are in. Now remember, that's this side from the seat power over. The Laws Totally Awesome didn't do as good a job around the seat mounting studs on the rust stains. Here's the Chemical Guys. They're a little more faint. And here is the Laws Totally Awesome. I'm hoping you can see that. I apologize for the lighting here in that bright sunshine. But as far as cleanliness, Like, it's a pick 'em. I think they're similar. I guess the results will be in once it's dry and I can uh, compare it to the part that was protected under the front floor mat. To be fair to Law's Totally Awesome, they do have dilution recommendations for rust here. Rust stains is 2-to-1, and I mixed it for automotive floor mats at 5-to-1. So I guess if you want to get rid of those rust stains and you're using Law's Totally Awesome, you better go to 2-to-1. Now the like I said, the chemical guys at 8-to-1 did a much better job, and it smells a little more pleasant. Like I said, citrus smell, childhood memory, taking an orange popsicle or a creamsicle out of packaging. So yeah, it's a pleasant smell. But that's it. It's up to you. It's a pick 'em, I think, at this point. It's you know, it's too close to call. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty everything out of here, and I think I'm gonna go with the chemical guys and do the rest of the van. So I removed everything from the van and ended up cleaning the carpet everywhere, and I've allowed enough time for it to dry now, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. As you remember over here, this was pretty stained from mouse poo and the rust stains around the seat mounts. Right here was same thing, but with the addition of a lot of grease from working on the engine over the years, not just myself, but previous owners, I'm guessing. So I still have to do the carpeting on the door panels. It's not as bad. This one's scuffed over here. I don't know if you can pick that up. There's a good boot scuff right there. And the carpeting on the doghouse, it's very greasy, and there's evidence of coffee spills, and because the cup holders don't hold much. And but that's it. I'm pretty impressed. So once again, I ended up going with the chemical guys fabric clean, but don't turn away from the Law's Totally Awesome. It did a fine job as well. I even did the little piece that goes on the bottom of the doghouse, and it was stained as well, grease and what's this? Oh, tree fluff. Get off my carpet. So that's the result right there. You too can have a clean smelling. Get rid of any stains that you might have put on the carpet from working on your engine, and ride on. So once again, if you enjoy the content here, please subscribe, leave a comment, post a like. All is appreciated. So until next time, enjoy.